Hey guys, it's your girl Kinkycurlyrae here and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for over a month due to this college life, but now I'm back and I'm better. So in today's video I will show you how you can get rid of dandruff with an apple cider vinegar rinse and a tea rinse. A little side note, I know the video quality is shitty, but iMovie and Premiere Pro wouldn't work with me, so please forgive me. Anyways, let's get into this video. So what are the benefits of an apple cider vinegar rinse? So 1, it reduces dandruff. 2, it promotes hair growth, it stops an itchy scalp, it softens your hair, and it balances the pH of your hair. But if you overuse the apple cider vinegar, it can mess up your pH level, so be careful. You will need to fill your spray bottle with apple cider vinegar where my finger is pointing, and then you will add water to the top. I don't use exact measurements, but if you want to, you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm doing my apple cider vinegar rinse before shampooing because my hair prefers it, but you can also do it after shampooing, but that's all on you, okay? So in the meantime, I'll make the tea rinse. You will need black tea bags, a spray bottle, an empty bowl, and some boiling water. So I'm gonna let the tea bag sit for over 30 minutes. So what are the benefits of a tea rinse? 1, it stops shedding. 2, it adds shine. 3, it darkens your hair. And 4, it reduces dandruff. I did the tea rinse after shampooing, but you can also do it after your conditioning routine. So after adding the tea to your hair, let it sit for over 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So yeah, my scalp is all clean, fresh and dandruff free, girl. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. Be blessed.